Have you ever wondered how to create high-quality videos? Do you often wonder how to market those videos? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the quality of YouTube videos? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about creating and market your own high-quality YouTube videos. Now let's get into it. If you have no idea how to create and market your own YouTube video, then you are in luck. Because in this article, you will learn how to create your own fantastic, high-quality YouTube videos that you can share with the world. The process is not hard at all, and once you make your first few videos, the process will become seamless. Let's get started. First, you will need a recording device. These can vary according to your taste. People make YouTube videos out of webcams, camcorders, cell phones, and even free computer software. One great free software that can be used on your computer is something called CamStudio, camstudio.org. This ingenious piece of software makes it easy for you to create your work in a matter of minutes once things are set up, and allows you to save your video in the popular Flash format or AVI format. Or if you're already nicely acquainted with your cell phone, you can use that too. But for the utmost quality and usability, you will want to use a camcorder. They cost the most, but for what you get for your money, it's a no-brainer compared to the other options. So once you've made your decision as to how you want to record your videos, it's now time to start making the video. When making your video, it's important to know that all videos must be no longer than 10 minutes. And the longer the video, the higher the file size, so keep that in mind. You can make a video on anything related to your niche. If you sell bird keeping manuals, create a short informative video about bird keeping. If you sell cars offline, create a video about what to look for when buying a new car. If you're a family doctor, create a video about how to keep yourself in good health. You can create a video on just about anything relevant to your product or service. When recording your video, you have a number of options as to how to deliver your content. You can sit in front of the camera and speak yourself, there's nothing wrong with that. You can interview an expert and have him create the video for you. Or you can do an on-screen demonstration showing your viewers how to do something, and this will vary according to your niche. No matter what delivery option you choose, quality is key. You want to make sure the quality of your video is good so that viewers don't have to squint their eyes or do anything unusual to see and hear your video. This is why the proper selection of a recording device is crucial. You want to make sure that your lighting is and that your voice can be heard clearly. It's best to have a video that doesn't lag as it progresses, as this can irritate users and decrease your subscriber base. If you're making a video outside in the daytime, then this is great. However, if your video is being made inside the house, make sure your room is bright enough so that you can be seen without any dark spots. Once all of these things are taken care of, you will want to start marketing your videos so that you can get traffic to your website. The first thing you should do before uploading your videos to YouTube is to include your website information at the bottom of each video. This is YouTube Marketing 101 and should be common sense for the social marketer. Once you've done that, you will also want to make sure that your profile information is up to date with your website information listed when people view your profile. Next, you will want to include a short blurb at the beginning and end of each video telling your viewers to subscribe to your YouTube channel. This is a great way to get repeat traffic to your videos, and eventually, repeat traffic to your website. Next, you will want to get traffic from outside sources. You will want to do forum marketing, article marketing, blog marketing, and even upload your YouTube videos to your website to get traffic to your videos. With all of these techniques in use, your traffic and subscriber count will skyrocket and your YouTube videos will become popular. The more popular your videos become, the more YouTube search engine traffic you will get when users search for videos based on popularity. This is how you get free traffic also from the YouTube search engine, which is growing to be one of the biggest search engines on the planet also. YouTube, it's one of the hottest internet websites ever created. In fact, YouTube is the fourth most visited website globally on a daily basis. But what does YouTube have to do with video marketing? The interactive nature of YouTube is why it has garnered such high popularity among internet users of all ages. The key to the success of YouTube is that not only can people upload videos of themselves, but they can leave comments on the videos of others. Additionally, a feature of the site is the ability to upload response videos to ones that were uploaded by others. An example of how this type of upload and response phenomenon can catch on like wildfire can be seen in the two most popular YouTube crazes of all time, the infectious and fun Numa Numa song and the equally popular, if not disturbing, Two Girls and a Cup. These two items, less than 5 minutes each, spawned a frenzy of response videos so large that in both cases YouTube had to eventually step in and say no more. So how can you use this type of immense popularity to increase the communications marketing efforts of your business? YouTube video marketing is easy and yet complicated at the same time. This is because YouTube video marketing has to be done in such a way that you are not appearing to directly market your business or product. Customers do not go to YouTube to see commercials. YouTube will also block videos that are obvious attempts at selling something through commercials. It's easy to create a video for YouTube. What's hard is to create a video marketing piece for YouTube that hides the fact that you are marketing with video. One of the best ways to get your video presentation on YouTube to become a highly effective video marketing piece is to produce either a video that is informative or one that is fun. Let's look at a couple of examples. Informative: you manufacture and sell shoe polish. For a video marketing piece, you can produce a video that teaches the best ways to get that military mirror shine on your shoes. Of course, throughout the video, your brand of polish is being used and is mentioned as the choice of the instructor due to its being the best available for such an application. Make sure that the logo of the can is always visible and reinforce the message by having the video include a man who is dressed in a military-style outfit. This type of product placement is simple and the endorsement is second to the instructions, so the marketing attempt is subdued. Fun: you distribute novelty ties and underwear. To use YouTube for video marketing, you can produce a video that portrays a man dressed only in his underwear and neckties conducting a man on the street type of interview. The man mentions that he got the underwear from your website. He does so casually and offhandedly only a couple of times during the video. Make sure your best-selling products are featured in the video and that the references are done naturally. Extend this video marketing ploy by making this character a recurring part of a regular series of such videos, and you will build a loyal following to rival that of Obama Girl. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about creating and market your own high-quality YouTube videos. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.